30 days open. And I'm gonna ask
Okay,
for,
and as you know, if he doesn't have at least half the time in, I'm not going to judgment Saturday.
well, yeah, that's what I'm telling you. I think he only has 6 days to my knowledge,
And your
Judge.
client knows I'm not going to judge him Saturday, right?
I've already explained that to him. Yes.
Okay. Okay,
Judge, I can
doke.
double check on those days.
Yeah, my docket sheet's just on 4.
I think he got arrested Saturday.
Yeah, the docket was printed 2 days ago. So if you add those 2 days, it comes to 6.
Okay. He still doesn't have enough time to judge him Saturday.
No, correct. I'm just
Okay.
I was just advising you, Judge,
Yeah.
up front.
Thank you. Okay. So is that Gomez Camacho there on the screen yet? Is that your
I
client?
think that's him. Yeah, I can't see his face,
Okay.
but yeah,
We're still waiting on a translator then.
right. ¿Eres tú, Martín? Sí. I think that's him, Judge.
Yeah.
He's got all that writing in
that's
front of
him.
his face.
Can't do anything without the translator though.
Attorney Harkowitz, can you go to breakout room 2, please? Good morning, Attorney Kramer. Um, do you have an offer in your case?
Got a kind of an odd offer that doesn't make sense, so I need to talk to a prosecutor.
Okay. Judge, do you want me to put it in breakout room 6 now?
Yeah, but Suzanne, can you make it quick? We've got a bunch of pleas waiting.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Trish, I'll move you back in 6 also. I'm sorry, Miss Trish.
And the dreaded interpreter is here.
Morning,
morning,
morning. Good
I've
morning.
got the DA conferring right now. As soon as she gets out of her conferring, we'll set up that interpretation thing, okay?
Yes, Judge, no problem.
And Judge, we will only need the interpreter on this case.
Okay.
Okay.
Page 4, it says he's Spanish speaker, but he speaks English.
Okay. So I'm just waiting for the DA to finish conferring, and then we'll take the plea on Abe's case, and then we'll move on to Mr. Hunt's case.
So Thomas Keith is here.
Can you call these two? Yeah, need you to mute. Aileen Garcia. Yeah. We got them on 5 and 6. Yeah. We're on and mute. Everybody waiting.
Everybody's
Okay.
waiting.
There.
They'll
Mr. Ruben
unmute.
Garcia, I'm hearing overlap noise, so I'm going to mute him temporarily. Mr. Garcia, when we get to you, make sure you tell the deputy that we need to unmute you, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Ms. Kramer's out, so then Ms.
Yes,
Trish
Judge, I just
Trujillo
need
is-
a breakout with my client.
Okay, they're all full right now, Karen,
that's
Suzanne,
fine.
so we have
That's
to wait. Okay. Now I got a plea ready on the Martin Cristobal Gomez Camacho. I need to hit the dreaded interpreter button. So let me go over here to interpretation. Type in the interpreter's name. Hit start. Now I'll go over and hit English only. So I've done it on my end. Has the jail done it on the defendant's end?
Judge,
Can I have
they're
the
working
deputies
on it.
please put Mr. Gomez Camacho on the translation thing?
Yeah, they went over there, Judge. Attorney Kramer, can you please move to breakout room 3?
Thank you so much.
Okay,
welcome.
Arlene, can you test it out now to see if he's on?
Sí, sí, lo escucho en español.
Okay. All right, sir, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony about the giving will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí, lo juro.
Okay, put your hand down, sir.
Okay.
I'm about to share my screen with you.
Ujú.
Okay, do you see my screen?
La- me-
Do
sí,
you see,
sí,
do you see
sí,
the
sí, sí,
screen?
la veo.
Is your name Martin Cristobal
Sí, sí, la
Gomez
veo.
Camacho?
Gómez Camacho. Ajá,
Okay.
sí, claro.
And are you the same person who under that name in this cause number 2025 CC 016884 who stands charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated while having a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or more in your body? Is that you?
Sí, soy yo.
Does the state have a motion in this case?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move to waive and abandon the enhancement and proceed on a Class B.
No,
State's
no
motion.
objection. No objections,
State's-
Your Honor.
Okay, the state's motion is granted. You're now charged, sir, with the driving while intoxicated as the first offense. And for that offense, it is possible that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 72 hours in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible
Mhm.
anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí, sí, lo entiendo.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Correcto, sí.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
No, no me lo explicó, solo dijo que estaba en español y que luego me lo iba a explicar en español. Digo, estaba en inglés y luego me lo iba a explicar en
¿Te
español.
acuerdas que Sí, sí te lo expliqué en español. ¿Te acuerdas que te estaba diciendo tus derechos? Que la podías pelear y que te podían
Oh, sí, 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 perdón, sí es cierto, sí, recuerdo,
Okay.
perdón.
So let me ask you again. Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí, claro.
And do you understand it?
Sí, ajá, me dijo de pelearlo mis
Hold on,
derechos.
let me sign this document.
Ok. Ujú.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
No,
Do you understand that a plea of guilty, of finding him guilty, or finding him guilty could affect your immigration status in this country.
Sí, yo lo entiendo.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose a green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí, sí lo entiendo.
Mr. Garza, did you explain the possible immigration consequences to your client? Does he understand them?
I did, Your Honor, and he does understand it.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand that I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí lo entiendo.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated is the first offense. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, no me opongo.
1 minute, please. Do you understand that on the plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Sí, sí lo entiendo.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, nadie.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, nadie. Nadie, no he hablado con nadie.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Sí, por mi voluntad.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
It is for a $0 fine, Your Honor, plus court costs. 30 days Bexar County Jail open on defendants 4. Credit for time served,
Ajá.
time and money running concurrently.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain,
That-
Mr. Garza?
That is,
Okay.
Your Honor.
And your client understands that on this, I'm not going to judgment settlement. He's going to have to do more time in jail. Do you understand that?
He understands that, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was
And
gonna
you
ask
agree
you-
to this, Mr. Gomez Camacho?
Sí lo entiendo.
And do you agree?
Sí, estoy de acuerdo.
Then the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentenced you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is not satisfied. I'm sorry. Because you do have,
Okay.
does he have an immigration detention?
He
hold?
does have an immigration hold, Your Honor, yes.
Because he has an immigration hold, it's probably, he's probably going to time serving anyway because of the time that he's going to be held for the immigration hold. All right. The jail will be giving him credit.
Okay.
Usually they give credit in 2 days, a 2-for-1. So good luck to you, sir. Tell the deputies that we're finishing your case. And they thank you. You can be
Ok,
excused.
muchas gracias.
Buena suerte.
Ok, muchas gracias. Oh, disculpe, una pregunta.
Yes.
Entonces, ¿podría saber cuántos días me faltarían?
Eso lo va a
I
figurar
can't. Only the
el
jail can tell
sheriff.
you. I'm sorry.
Eso lo va a figurar el sheriff. Ahí les preguntas a ellos.
Ok,
El que está
Ok,
encargado
perfecto.
ahí,
Good luck to you, sir.
encargado contigo. ¿Ok?
ok. Sale, gracias.
And Arlene, I'm told that we don't need you anymore, that you can be excused. Thank you.
Judge,
Gracias.
take it easy. Buena suerte.
Gracias.
Okay, so who do I have next?
Judge, next would be Santos Coy Alexander, page 4.
Okay, he's got 2 cases. Mr. Hunt, is he pleading to both cases or is one being TSC?
We're only pleading to the DWI.
Hey, that is
Okay.
not my understanding. I apologize. Counsel, can you tell me what the offer is on the DWI?
I believe let me look. It's
Let me-
500,
let
I
me- hold on a
think.
minute. Let me put you guys in the breakout room real fast, but let's make it quick, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you guys
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Debbie, are you there?
Yes, Judge.
This is Doug Kapmeyer.
Yes, we're still waiting on your client. They haven't brought him down yet. Sorry about that.
Well, no, it's not your fault. But the question I had was, we did the paperwork last time. Do you still have that? Are we still using that same
Yes.
paperwork?
Yes, I still have it. I sent a reminder to the jail. You've signed it already, correct?
Did he sign it already or no?
No, he did not.
Okay, all right. That's all I wanted to know. Thank you. I'm standing by.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Hunt and Ms. Trish are out of their conference. Do we have it sorted out?
Yes, sir.
And is he pleading then on the DWI and is the other case being TIC?
No, the other case is not being pled today or not being resolved, but counsel, I believe, has a plan.
Okay, what's happening, Mr. Hunt?
Well, we didn't get an offer on the criminal mischief. I'm going to ask Judge Jimenez for a PR bond on that one.
Why don't I just send you back to the original court? Because I don't feel comfortable pleading in my one case when you have another case hanging out there and that could cause you problems. So I don't feel comfortable doing that.
Got it.
We send
Okay.
back?
That's fine.
Okay, so Santa Scoria will be sent back. Or we can reset it. Clear, but in other words, it needs to be a plea on both cases or none at all.
Let's not reset yet. Let's figure out what's going to happen first.
Okay, so we'll just send it back to court. Okay,
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Judge. I apologize.
that's okay. But that could really cause you problems later, Mr. Hunt. As you well know. All right. So Mr. Hunt.
Okay, Judge. Next we have Ruben Garcia.
Ruben Garcia, who's on page 1. That's Mr.
And
Jackson.
he's in another breakout. I'm sorry, he's on another floor.
Okay. He was on my screen. There he is. Can we have him? Okay, here we go. Mr. Garcia, I've got you on my screen. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Put your hand down. Let me pull up your paperwork. Okay, I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen? Mr. Garcia, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. Is your name Ruben Garcia?
Yes, that's true and correct.
Are you the same Ruben Garcia who in this cause number 2026 CC 003-498 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, I am.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I understand that.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed.
Right.
When you signed this, what you did in effect was you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
That is true.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional
That'll be back
Rights,
on your floor.
and you have signed it, your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
We sure did, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
He did
And do you understand it?
completely.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this. Are you a citizen of the United States?
I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, and if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have the right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Of course. Yes, sir.
Okay, so then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Of course.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, if someone promised you something in order to get you to do this,
Negative, sir.
are you doing this of your own free will?
Totally.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrent. He presently has 28 days.
Okay, I'm going to judgment set the case. Is that your understanding of the agreement then, Mr. Jackson?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Garcia?
Sir. I'm right here.
And Mr. Garcia, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 30 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Jackson?
I believe it is, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today. All right?
Yes,
Good
sir.
luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. And Mr. Jackson, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a
Judge.
good day. We're done.
Judge, this is Stephanie De La Garza.
You turn it off or something? Or no? Yeah, you could go a little bit.
Hold on 1 minute. Let me do this real fast. All right. All right, and this is Stephanie De La Garza. Valverde, I may have muted you on accident. I was trying to mute the other guy, and your screen got in the way. And I think I may have muted you. Just so you know.
Okay, now your life.
There
Okay.
it is.
Stephanie De La Garza. Hold
Yes.
on. All right, can you raise your right hand for me?
Right. Okay, right.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So help me God. Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down, ma'am. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Okay.
Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Is your name Stephanie De La Garza?
My name is Stephanie Marie De La Garza. I was born and raised with it.
Okay. Are you the same person who, under this name, Stephanie Marie De La Garza, is charged with the offense of 2025? Excuse me, is charged with the offense of criminal trespass in this cause number 2025 CC 016680. Is that you?
That's me. But,
Okay.
you know, unfortunately, whatever
Ma'am,
happened.
ma'am, it's going to
Okay.
go a lot quicker and a lot easier if you just give me yes or no answers, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Is that you that's charged in that under that cause number?
Yes, that's me.
Okay. This case of criminal trespass is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000.
Mhm.
Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I understand, but it doesn't mean I agree with it.
That's fine, ma'am. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have
Okay.
signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
I think, yeah, I guess I didn't really. Okay, yeah.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And
Uh-huh.
you have
That's only in
signed it.
this. That's only
Ma'am,
in this
please,
case.
please, ma'am, let me finish.
I
Okay?
understand. Okay, no problem.
Right. I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
And did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yeah, he did. I think I'm more than sure he did.
And do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
Okay, sir. Take your time.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Born and raised in San Antonio, Texas. Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this document, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me this: Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
I believe so.
Okay.
But am I
So-
gonna make? Okay.
So
Sorry.
then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Well, I'm gonna plead no contest, but I really wanted
Okay,
to plead
ma'am.
not guilty.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if you plead not guilty, we can't do this plea and you have to go back to court and
Oh,
you don't get
okay.
out of jail
I-
today.
I-
Now,
I-
let me ask you one more time. Please just answer my questions, yes or no, and we'll get through
Okay.
this.
All right.
To the, or whatever the police supposed to do, to this offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please.
Okay.
Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I understand that.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargaining agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, if
No,
someone
nobody-
promises, if someone promised you something in order to get you to do this,
No. I
are
would
you
like to
doing
get-
this plea then of your own free will?
Yes.
Hold on then. Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
There is, Your Honor. It is for a $0 fine plus court costs. 30 days Bexar County Jail with credit for time served and time and money to run concurrently. She presently has 12 days.
Okay, Mr. Harkowitz, you know that unless they have half the time in at least, I'm not going to judgment sat it. Did you
I
explain that to your-
understand that, and I've explained that to Ms. De La Garza that by pleading, she, depending on how the sheriff credits her time, she may have to serve a few more days.
You understand that, ma'am?
Yes. That you
Do you
can
still
give
want to
the-
do this plea, or do I send you back to the court for a trial?
No, I don't want a trial. I don't want a trial because some of the
Okay,
people
so
aren't even.
so do you still want to go forward with this plea?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay, then, ma'am, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. Since you don't have at least half the time in, I'm not judgment sat in this case. Depending on how much credit the jail gives you, you could be out in just a few days, though, if you have 10 days in. If they give you
how would
2
I
for
know?
1, that you might be out in just a few days, but I can't guarantee that. Do you understand that?
Yeah, but how would I know? Like just wait.
You just have to ask the jail people.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Good luck to you. Bye. Have a great
Bye.
day. Have a great Valentine's
You-
Day.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right. Thanks.
All right,
Bye.
thank you, Judge.
Mr. Harkowitz, thank you. Appreciate it.
Bye, Mr. Harkowitz. I'll see you later.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
You can be excused, Mr. Harkowitz. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge Attorney Cantrell said he'll log on in 5 minutes.
Okay. What do I have next here?
And can I let you know about Israel Sanchez,
Okay, what page is he on, please?
page 3?
Israel Sanchez. Okay, what's happening with that?
I just spoke with the attorney to get him to log on, but he said there was no offer. So he told me to send it back to the original court.
Okay, so sent back to court.
And on John Miller.
Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Sent back. Okay, with him. Yeah, another one, next page. Okay, now on John Miller, what page is he on then?
He's on page 2. He has 2 cases, page 2 and 3.
Okay, I'm looking at for John Miller. Okay, I see him now. What's going on with him?
Attorney told me to reset that for a week.
Reset for 1 week. Okay.
Yeah, and I believe that's all we have. We're still waiting on Attorney Katmeyer's client.
And
Okay.
Deborah, I'm ready on my MTR.
Okay,
What-
Judge Nix is,
Okay, what's your client's name, Suzanne?
Margarita Herrera, Judge.
Okay, I got it. Found it on my paper document.
Judge, next in line is Eugene Perez.
Okay, sorry, Suzanne.
No problem.
Eugene Perez is on what page, please?
Page 3.
Page 3, Eugene Perez, that's it, Mr. Adams. Okay. I found it on page 3. I'll let him get me on his screen, on the screen. Okay, Mr. Perez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir. I do.
Okay, thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir. I do.
Is your name Eugene Perez?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Eugene Perez who in this cause number 2025 CC 008454 who is
Yes, sir.
charged with the offense of driving while license suspended with a previous conviction? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
I believe this is a class. Is this a class B or a class A, Ms. Trish? Can you tell me?
Class
Yes,
B.
Your Honor.
It's a class B. All right. This is a class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I do.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video that you have signed and that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir. I did.
I'm looking now at a document on my screen titled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir. I did.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed it, this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir, I do.
So then, to this offense of driving while license suspended with a previous conviction, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, sir, I do.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Your Honor, I apologize for doing this to the court. I have to withdraw my offer. It was given erroneously. I tried to fix it, but then I overlooked the fact that the complainant is completely opposed. And so I need to withdraw my offer on this case to TIC, the new number one. And I would ask that this case be sent back to the court of origin.
Okay, so, Mr. Adams, I'm going to withdraw this plea and send it back to the court. I'm sorry.
No, hang on. I am completely wrong. That's for the next case. That is for the next case. On Mr. Pettis, I am so sorry.
That's okay. It's been one of those mornings anyway, Ms. Trish. It's okay.
I am so sorry. It is $0 fine, court costs, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. We're asking for 4 days Bexar County Jail. Defendant does have it.
All right. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Adams?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Pettis?
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, I do.
All right. And then, Mr. Pettis, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 4 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, the time and the money to run current. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding him, Mr. Adams?
Yes, it is.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right?
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. Mr. Adams, sorry for the scare. Take care and you can be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I apologize.
Not a
Quite all
problem.
right. Thank you.
I just hope it's not my case that's got
It
that.
is.
Okay.
Then,
Okay, now,
Trail is here.
hold on. One minute.
I need to confer with a state. This is
And
Anthony
if-
Petro.
And if
Yeah,
I
so
could
hold on
speak-
1 minute. I've had Suzanne Kramer waiting all the
That's
way.
okay.
So is Suzanne next?
Yes. From what I understand, Judge, the mishap on the previous case is applicable actually to mine.
Okay, so let me find you first on my paper. Hold on 1
Thank
minute.
you.
Your client, okay, your client is Margarita Herrera. She's got an MTR and she's got a new case. So what's happening on those cases, Ms. Trish?
Initially, I had made an offer to Attorney Kramer to plead and revoke the MTR and TIC, the new number one, in exchange for a guilty plea on it. But I cannot do that. And the ADA who had the case had made a recommendation on the MTR, but no recommendation on the new number one. And I believe that confused me. I checked the file itself and have learned that the complainant is completely opposed to a jail offer. He wants this person to get help, and we need to get him on board. I would, first of all, humbly apologize to the court and to counsel and ask for a brief reset.
Okay,
And then,
Ms. Kramer.
Judge, there's not much I can do about that. So can I just go into a breakout with Ms. Herrera so I can explain to her what's happening?
Certainly. Let's put Ms. Kramer in a breakout room with her client. Is that Ms.
Yes,
Herrera on
Judge.
the screen right now?
It is, Judge.
Okay, can we put Ms. Herrera, deputies?
Okay, Judge, one,
Can you get her off the computer real quick and bring her in?
Okay, now,
They just took her away.
they're gonna put her in the breakout room so you can go talk.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, And what breakout room are we gonna put her in then?
Judge, we gotta wait. We only have 2 breakout rooms right now. They're both
Okay,
full.
we just hold on, Debbie, Suzanne, we'll get you in a breakout room as fast as we can.
Thank you, Judge.
So Tony, Cantrell just came in. Can we have him confer the prosecutor, or
Thank you, Judge.
is that okay? Debbie? I know we've had attorneys waiting. but
Yes,
can-
Judge.
Tony,
I moved
make
him
it a
at
quick
6.
conference, please. We got lots of people waiting.
Breakout room 6, please.
Okay. So this is going to be sent back to the court, I think, but I'm going to hold off on that. Oh, what a rough morning this has been. Okay. So let's see what I got here. I've got Sanders Corey was sent back to the court, so I'm going to just trash that. I've got Herrera folks being talked to with Miss Kramer. And then I have Kachi, which is Mr. Kattmeyer. Is he here? This one
Yes,
makes
he's been here since 8:15. He's in the breakout room with this client.
okay, he's in the breakout room this time. Okay. I'm just trying to find out what I got and what I don't have. Okay. Sonia is here. Okay, Miss Kramer,
Yes,
did you
Judge.
finish talking to your client?
I need to talk to her to tell her what just happened so she knows what's going on.
Oh, you still haven't gotten to
Will you
breakout
take
room?
long, Miss Kramer?
Pardon me?
Will it be a few minutes? Oh,
I'm willing. I mean, I need to talk to her, so I'm willing to wait. I've already alerted all my other courts.
okay, thank you.
I'm looking at my screen. We have kind of auxiliary court. We have breakout room 2 open, don't we?
And Judge,
breakout room 1.
breakout room 1 is not open. I'm putting Attorney Cantrell back in 2. And,
Okay.
Miss Kramer, I can move you to breakout room 3. Or can you
so
move
much.
yourself to breakout room 3?
If that's
I'm
where I
sorry.
was, I can do that.
Okay, thank you.
And Judge, we worked out a plea agreement with the state on my client Cadena. We just need the paperwork.
Okay, Debbie, can you send her the paperwork?
Yes, Attorney Cantrell, I sent you a reminder this morning. It will be under Deborah Gussman.
Okay.
Okay. In the meantime, who do I have on the camera right now?
Give those to you. Crazy.
Deborah
Judge, that's Kachi.
Kachi. Let me find
Page
him on my
2.
paper though. Page 2. Okay, that's Mr. Kattmeyer. Mr. Kattmeyer, your client's got 2 cases.
Yes, Your Honor.
Plead on one, is one being TIC?
Pleading on both, Your Honor.
Okay, I've only got one set of paperwork on my screen. I've got paperwork on my screen for that case ending in 465, which is a criminal trespass.
I may be confused about that. It could just be the one case we're going on, Your Honor.
It's
All
both.
right. Ms. Trish?
It is both.
He's pleading on both? Well, I only have one set of paperwork, Mr. Kattmeyer. You need to go
Sounds
back.
good. No,
get him
this
to
is
sign
right.
the other
This
one.
is right. They're going to TIC the other one, I believe.
Ms. Trish? Is that correct?
It was my understanding. You know what, Judge? We can. That's fine. We'll be TICing the failed to ID
The 3020 case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Kotze, hold on
Yes, Your Honor.
1 minute while I pull up your paperwork on my screen. Mr. Kotze, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. All right. Do you see my screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name James Kotze?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same James Kotze who in this cause number 2026 CC 00465 who is charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you could be punished. And let me make sure I'm right about that. This is a B, right, Ms. Trish?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
I do, Your Honor. Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
Thank you.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told the judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, your paperwork's showing me guilty.
I'll accept that, Your Honor. I'll accept the guilty
All right,
plea.
Mr. Kampmeyer, what's going on?
Yes, guilty plea, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's a guilty plea. All right. 1 minute. Is that right, Mr. Kotze?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. 1 minute. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, it is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 28 days Bear County Jail, which he presently has, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and in exchange for the plea, the state is taking into consideration and dismissing cause number 2026 CC 003020, the failure to ID.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Kampmeyer?
Yes, sir.
You agree to this, Mr. Kotze?
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
see if there's any anything in the email for paperwork from the.
Okay, I'm going to mute Mr. Cantrell right now. All right, so, Mr. Kotze, the court having heard your plea of guilty on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 28 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2026 CC 003020. That means that case will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Kampmeyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the only case holding him?
That's my understanding.
Okay. If these are the only cases holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finishing your case. Mr. Kampmeyer, thank you for being so patient this morning.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Attorney Kampmeyer. Sorry about that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Judge, Herrera is back. Attorney Kramer.
Okay. Ms. Kramer, we're sending your Suzanne.
You done with me, Your Honor?
Suzanne Kramer? I thought you said Suzanne was back. I don't see her anywhere on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that Margarita Herrera?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think she
Suzanne
must have
Kramer.
logged off.
Okay. Ms. Herrera, your case is being sent back to the original court. There was a misunderstanding on the offer, so we're not doing your case this morning. I'm sorry. Did your lawyer tell you that? Your lawyer was supposed to tell you that. All right. So I'm sorry we're not doing your case this morning. Thank you. Deputies.
I salute you as a judge. I salute you as a judge. And yes, my lawyer did tell me that, so I salute you as a judge. Hiram Perez.
Well, good luck.
All right, Judge, I'm a little confused. I'm trying to wait for the paperwork, and Deborah G says she sent it as a reminder. When did she send it? Is what I'm trying to find out because my office doesn't see it.
I've sent it twice. Sent it to the same email that I sent the Zoom link to, cantrelllaw@cbsglobal.net.
No, sbcglobal.net.
sbcglobal.net.
Did you just send it?
No, I sent it about 5 minutes ago. It should be under Deborah Guessman.
Okay, I'll look for it again. Thank you.
It's the same email that I sent the Zoom link on. I mean, not the same email.
Refresh
but
your email, Mr. Cantrell, or search Miss Gussman's name.
Okay, we'll do.
That'll help you find it.
In the meantime, I think we have Sonia here from pretrial, so I'm going to go with the pretrial docket with her. Sonia, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. I have my bond docket in front of me. I have listed as number 1, Robert Estrada.
That is correct.
Okay. Is he going to be here?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
What about 2?
Number 2 should be here.
3?
Should be here.
4?
4 should be here.
5?
Should be here.
6?
Should be here.
7?
Released on bond.
Okay. All right. I'm going to take us off of live stream right now.